Hello students, today we will start with lecture 2 of chapter 1, that is knowing numbers. In last lecture we have started with Indian and international place value system, where we got to know what is the meaning of place value, right? Now for the place value chart, we should know two terms. Which two terms you should know? That is nothing but numerals and a number. See, if I say number 5, this number 5 is in your mind, but how are you going to show me? Either you will write it in the word form or symbol form. This representation is nothing but a numeral. Okay? Suppose I say that I am having a basket in which I've got 4 apples. Okay? Now I need to count it. 1, 2, 3, 4. The number this 4 now, it is in my mind. I have to represent it in the form of a numeral. How will I represent? Either I will write 4 apples in a word form, or 4 has got its own symbol, that is 4 apples. Okay? So this is nothing but the difference between numerals and a number. If I write definition of a number in a very simple language, before that, I would like to request you that please sit with a notebook and pen and write along with me so that you will come to know what you are learning. Number, I will say that a number is an idea which answers the question. Which question will it answer? How many objects in a collection? See, this is the simplest language which I can use to make you understand. This is the question whenever we count something. Okay? Now, first of all, when we count, whatever we count, that will first of all exist only in our mind. Okay? And the representation of it of that number idea in words or symbols is called its numeral. Got it? Now if I say 5 pens, so you will write 5 and then pens, or you will write in word 5 pens. This is nothing but a numeral. Okay? If I say 26 pencils, then first it went in your mind. You have written 26 in the form of a numeral. Either you will write it like this, where each number has got its own symbol, or you will write it in words, that is 26 pencils. Okay, so this is the difference between number and a numeral. Now, if I write a proper definition of numerals, then I would write the numerals are merely the words or symbols by means of which numbers are represented. Got it? Okay, so this is the difference between a number and a numeral. Number we speak and the form which we write is a numeral. If I say 16 dogs, so 16, 1 and 6 are numerals again. 1 has its own symbol, 6 has its own symbol. Or the same thing, I will write it in words, and that is nothing but 16 dogs. Okay, so this is the difference between number and the numerals. So for understanding or for representing the place value chart, we need to know the two terms. One is numbers and the other is numerals, which we got to know. Now, in your previous classes, you have already understood the place value till 5 digits. Suppose I give you a number 42607. Okay? First, this number was in my mind. Now I have written it in the form of numerals. Now we will see the place value. I will write there is nothing but 7 ones, 0 tens, 6 hundreds, 2 is thousands, and 4 is nothing but 10,000s. So there are 4 10,000s, 2 thousands, 600s, 0 tens, and 7 ones. Now in place value form, if I write 7 is 1, so only 7. 0 tens we can write 0, or you can write 0 0. 6 is 100, so we will write 600. 2 is thousands, so we will write 2000s, and we will write 40 is 10,000s. Okay, now when you add up, you will get a number 42,607. So the number 42,607, this is nothing but a number which you are having it in your mind. Now you have write it in the numeral form, which is this, or either you can write in the words, and that is 42,607. If I give you this in words, you will definitely come to understand that in the number form you can write 42,607. Okay, so I would like to make you understand first that what are numbers and what is numerals and the difference between the two terms. Today we have done this, and please go through it, understand it properly, so that it will be easy for us to understand regarding the place value chart. Now I will give you an exercise in homework. Okay, there will be only 5 numbers. You need to write its place value if you can. So I will end the day today. Please finish it. If possible, send us in the comment box, and please like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you very much.